Hello, I am back, and wait, what? You're what? That is not a complete sentence. You're what? Okay, this is one of my friends. Well, newly added friends. But what? Dot dot dot, waiting for an answer. And answer me. No, I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna send that. Yo, what? Okay, what is he doing? Oh my gosh. Do I like go? Yes. Yes. Bye-bye. Okay, I think he's gonna leave the game. I got my own TV here. Isn't it awesome? And this is my bed. Wait, I'm not sleeping. Oh my gosh, I have to change my face. Yay! Oh my gosh. Inappropriate. Inappropriate. Seriously, when it was loading, it was so inappropriate. Sleep. Sleepyhead. Okay. Oh well, be right back. Oh, this really makes me tired. Oh well, let's go over to here. Here's my zzz mask. Wait, where's my zzz mask? Zzz mask. Zzz mask. Zzz mask. Okay. Okay, now it's appearing. Yes, I am sleeping. Okay, that was kind of weird. Yawns. I am yawning. Yay! I'm awake. Beautiful sun, I'm back. Oops. Okay. Bye-bye. Yes, I have glasses. No, I don't like glasses. Good morning, everybody. Time for some TV. Nigh cat person. I'm gonna cuddle with my buddy friend, Bunny. Yes. So Meepcity got this very big update, which is like you have to find 5 eggs, all a different color, and then you get this trophy over here. This baby. This one that says 2018 on the top with a bunch of eggs. And then where else? And then, okay, I'm gonna stop this music. This gets annoying. No. Stop. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, and then you got the bunny thingy, and then your meep. Where's your meep? Where's my meep? Where'd my meep go? Okay, and then your meep gets. Your meep, you don't have to buy it. It just appears. It just appears for free. This bunny ears that I'm wearing right now, and then this bunny mask. But I'm telling you, it does not look good on meep. Or at least on my meep. Fidget spinner time. Bye-bye. I'm gonna be a bad girl and I'm going to roller skate all over the house. Oh yeah, and also you get one of these toys, which is like an egg, and you press the egg button, and it goes boom, and it goes boom, then it goes boom. Next one's green. Next one's green. Next one's yellow. Boom. See, next one's red. Next one's red. Next one's red. Next one's yellow. Callie. Who the heck is Callie? My friend. Hi, Mommy. Mommy. So I was playing this game with my friend, Callie, and she was my mom. Yay! So I'm now really happy that my mommy is back with me. See, that's what the mask looked like. So ugly. I throw a party sometime. Oh, I'm Gabby Bro. Yay! I guess I have a brother. Okay, bye-bye. Bedtime. I'm just so psyched up. To be honest, I really like my house. I mean, it's not too packed, but it's also so nice. I love all this, like, sofas. There's another thing here. Hey, why don't I give you a tour of my house? Okay, so we start here. Get out, there's a fog machine, and then you can grab a fidget spinner. Here's the fridge, here's the sink. Here is the living room, self-made theater, chairs and a table. And then this is the kids' room. This is where kids sleep. Let's see if this works. No, it doesn't. Okay. And then this is the bathroom. Yeah, it's pretty weird. Don't mind if I do. Yay, I'm taking a bubble bath. Okay, bye-bye. Turn off the water. There we go. Privacy. Yeah, so there's this thing. Boop, boop, boop. Yep, and then my big screen TV, my bed, my cribs. Yeah. Okay. So, yep, there is my house. Hey, I have another house, like, right across the street. Want to see my other house right across the street? Actually, I don't want to go there. It's so annoying. I'm gonna go... Yeah, I know where I'm going. I'm going for ice cream. Like, who doesn't like ice cream? If you said me, you are a disgrace to this world. No, JK, I'm just saying. I don't hate ice cream. Okay. So, let's run all over to the plaza. So last time I tried to, get out of this place, remember? On my first video, I accidentally, went into murder mystery, this place to murder, and then other very weird places. Yeah. So, I'm gonna have... I want this. I want ice cream. Give me my ice cream. I want ice cream. Oh, I know why it's not working. There we go. Okay. Wait. This ice cream tastes weird. What? I'm feeling drowsy. What? I'm feeling drowsy. I think I'm poisoned. Oh, where am I? I'm still a little dizzy. Oh my gosh, I'm in the hospital. I actually did get poisoned. Oh my gosh, I got poisoned. Oh no. I got poisoned. Whoa. I got poisoned. I got poisoned. I got poisoned. I think I'm just gonna... am I fainting? Please like and subscribe to this video. Turn on notifications, and I hope to see you later. Bye. Oh, by the way, Happy Easter.